inventory decreased by 90,000. Look at your creditor debtors. Your trade debtors last year was 35, this year is 30, so it decreased by 5,000. Look at your creditors. Your creditors control last year was 25,000, this year is 13,000. Your creditors decreased by 12,000. We putting that in. Prepayments, we prepaid our rent. Means our rent was paid last year in advance 3,000. There's nothing this year. So decrease in your prepaid rent 3,000. Right? So now the first activity 134 plus 19 plus 5 plus 3 minus 12 gave you your cash generated from operation 149. Then we say take your interest received. Our interest that we received was 13,000. Our interest paid, you look at interest paid. Look at your income statement. Our long-term loan was 14,000. But how come you got 15,000 in the cash flow? In our income statement we got 15,000. In the income statement